tension in this is T, and since the whole thing is symmetrical, tension in the other is also T, and let this angle be theta. So first we'll write all the equations that we can write for equilibrium of W. For equilibrium of W, for equilibrium 2t cos theta equal to W. Okay, number one. Then theta cos theta equal to base, we have taken this to be y. Y is the depression, y divided by hypotenuse is this root over L square by 4 plus y square equal to W. Okay, so let us write this as 1, not this one. 1. Now what you have to find? You have to find y. And what is not known in this? T is not known. T is not known. Other things are all unknown. W is known and area. So T we will have to find. We will have to write T. Now
we can calculate the resultant of the
T and T cos theta, 2t cos theta, that is equal to W. And then y. Another expression is, we have not yet used y. The things that are given, you have to consider that in mind, that y is given, a is given, and L is given, W is given. We have already used W we have used, L we have used, but y and a, Young's modulus and area of cross section, we have not yet used them. So let us write an expression, y equal to F by A. F by A means T by A. T is the tension. T by A by del L by L. Okay. Del L by L by 2. I am considering only one part. I am considering only this part. Only this part. For this, y equal to, what is the force along the wire? T. By its area of cross section, A. Divided by its increase in length, del L. By its initial length, L by 2. I am considering half. Okay. Or T equal to now y into del L into 2 by L into A. Is it okay? So in this, del L is not known. Okay. This is equal to, or T equal to, no problem with 2ya by L. And del L equal to what? Again Pythagoras. Del L equal to increase in length. Increase in length equal to
L square by 4 plus y square minus L.
L square?
L square by 4 plus y square root over minus L by 2.
Right. So hypotenuse minus initial length. Okay. Hypotenuse minus initial length. Hypotenuse is how much? Hypotenuse is L square by 4 plus y square minus initial length. Is it okay? Okay, 2ya by L, this. This is our second equation. Okay. Now we'll put this we'll put this t here. We'll put this t here and we'll get the value of y from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, a lot of approximations are to be done. 2 into t 2ya by L into root over L square by 4 plus y square minus L by 2. This is 4ya by L into this. Take L square by 4 outside. When you take L square by 4 outside the root, it will be L by 2 into 1 plus y square by L square by 4 whole to the power half. See it once again. I have taken out L square by 4. So it has become L by 2. Inside I have got 1 plus y square by L square by 4 to the power half. Now purpose of doing this type of calculation is we'll apply binomial approximation. Okay, and then on this side also we'll follow the same approach. I'll take out L by 2 and then I will have 1 plus y square by L square by 4 whole to the power half, or 4ya by L into L by 2 1 plus y square by 2 L square into 4 minus 1 into y square by 2L square into 4 minus 1. This is equal to WL by 2 into 1 plus y square by 2L square into 4. Okay, or now 1 cancelled, or 2ya, okay, into 2 this is small y or big y? Small y. 2 small y square by L square by L square into y. So we are getting y cube. Is it okay? Check. 2y square by L square into y. L cancel, 2y. Okay, this is equal to W L by 2 into 1 plus 2 2s are 4, 2 y square by L square. Now this is in plus form. Can you ignore this? Can we ignore this? If this is not negligibly small, then the solution will be extremely complex, because here you are having y cube and here you are having y square. But fortunately, this is in plus form. When can you ignore? You can ignore only in plus minus form. This should be known to you. Okay, say 10,000 plus 0.1. Here you can ignore 0.1. But in multiplication form, 10,000 into 0.1, you cannot ignore. Because this thing is not at all equal to 10,000. 10,000 into 0.1 is 1,000. Okay, so in this form you cannot ignore, while in this form you can ignore. Now apply this here. On the left hand side you are having all in multiplication form, while on the right hand side 2y square by L square. Why? Because the depression of the midpoint is definitely it will be very small, and that small number is divided by L square. What is L? The whole length of the wave. So L square is quite big when compared to Y square. Okay, so we'll ignore this part. Or 4y a y cube divided by L square equal to WL by 2. Okay, now here, or y equal to this WL cube divided by 8a1 whole to the power 1 by 3 equal to equal to L by 2 W by AY whole to the power 1 by 3. Now this is a very important problem, and you have seen the calculation is extremely complex. So I will advise you just remember this expression. Okay, W by AY whole to the power 1 by 3, and it will be wise if I put this in a green box. Means remember this, because it is just impossible to go through this calculation in exam hall, keeping in mind the nature of the exam, multi MCQ type, and time is extremely limited. So y equal to, what is y? Depression of the midpoint. It is equal to L by 2 into W by AY whole to the power 1 by 3.